Today we discuss about Heisenberg uncertainty principle. We know Heisenberg uncertainty principle is fundamental pillar in quantum mechanics, and its statement is given as sigma x into sigma y greater than or equal to h cross, where sigma x is uncertainty in x-like physical quantity and sigma y is uncertainty in y-like quantity, and h cross is reduced Planck constant, also known as Dirac constant, and it is given as h cross is equal to h upon 2 pi. This is general formula for Heisenberg relation. Any two physical quantity which don't commute give this relation. As example, length and momentum. Same way, energy and time. Another example is angular momentum and angle. Any two physical quantity having dimension equal to Planck constant and canonically conjugate give this relation. We know that Heisenberg relation say that simultaneously measurement of two quantities is fundamentally impossible. As example, we measure accurately for any quantum particle length, then some uncertainty naturally remains in momentum. Same way, if we measure accurately energy, then some uncertainty in time remains within it always naturally. Simultaneously measurement of for any two quantity is impossible. This is not due to any measurement problem or any calculation problem, but this is due to nature. Now here main point is this, that in Heisenberg relation in some books this statement is printed as sigma x into sigma y greater than or equal to h cross upon 2. But here no any confusion. This statement is applicable for 1D system. Any one-dimensional system, this statement is more accurate and ordinary used. But but above general formula sigma x into sigma y greater than or equal to h cross is applicable for 3D system.